Hello, Konya. Hello. Today I will make you a visit tour of the house here in Da Nang, in Cam Le district. It's worth like more than $350,000. And Niels, who is the owner of this house and he comes from Netherlands, is a very interesting guy, and I will have the chance to make an interview with him. If you want to buy a house in Da Nang, or if you want to see what it looks like to have a house worth $350,000 in Da Nang, Vietnam, you could have a look. Here we go. I have so many questions. I would like to know why you decided to buy the house in Da Nang.
I live in Vietnam for more than 10 years. 10 to 11, 12 years actually. And yeah, I have stayed in Ho Chi Minh City, in Saigon, in Hanoi. But many of my friends, most of them are in the cabin crew scene, like flight attendants and Vietnamese business people. They all recommend me to be in Da Nang and to live here, to build up a life here. So I'm very impulsive sometimes. So I came here, I looked at the house and I think, yeah, nice, okay, I buy it. So I have purchased the house like a bit over a year ago. Yeah. But now I discovered that, yeah, Da Nang is nice. It do have everything, beaches, mountains, a nice city, good airport. But business-wise, yeah, the financial center and the business-orientated meetings are all in Ho Chi Minh City, some of them in Hanoi.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the living room of the house. So you can see living room, Anna there. Niels, thank you very much for the conversation. So I will make a visit tour for you guys with the kitchen here. So to recap, this is the $360,000 house. There is 3 or 4 bedroom. You can make it flexible, and it comes from with all the furnitures. So yeah, I take the time for you guys to see every detail, right? I try my best, even if I don't have the best camera. Yeah, here we go.
Well, tourists and foreigners in Vietnam can buy an apartment with a 50 years lease contract. If you are interested in buying a house, I do recommend to visit a lawyer, to make an appointment and explain your case to a good lawyer in Vietnam and talk about the possibilities. In my case, I am married with a Vietnamese, so I could buy the house and register the house under my wife's name, and afterwards you visit a lawyer to make a document called VBang, and they will write down everything, the payment what the foreigner side have made, the source of the money, where the money come from, and then you can own 50%, 60%, 40%, depends on the case. Yeah. So there are possibilities, or you can company-wise, like register your office, and then the building belongs to the company. That's possible.
So investors married to a Vietnamese, but otherwise pretty hard to, if you come alone here in Vietnam and you want to buy a house like this, let's go for 50 years. It's not really worth it.
50 years is basically for the apartments. Yeah. But in an apartment building, it's hard to establish a business, to register a business, because you need to have a physical office. Yeah. In a house, you can register your business, but sometimes an inspection will come and you have to show them that you do have a working room, an office room.
this beautiful house is yours, and if someone see this video and maybe is interested into buying a house in Da Nang, maybe they could contact Zalo number or something like this. I can leave in the video.
Yeah,
or
sure.
yeah, we will leave a number. And one thing that I want to ask you too is, do you have any advice for someone who want to come here and long term and buying a house and see his life in Vietnam? Do you have any advice?
I think Vietnam is a very nice country, very welcoming, but I do recommend first come and experience if you like it. If you like it, apply for the correct paperwork, apply for the needed resident card, and don't do anything illegal. Because if you stay here on tourist visas, you can do it for a few years, but after that you need to find a solution to stay here longer. If you really want to buy something, it's you have a few solutions: opening a company, establish a business, marry a Vietnamese, and then you do have a lot of opportunities to live and stay within Vietnam. So I think well, have a look where you like to live, and yeah. Vietnam is one of the most leading countries business-wise, tourism-wise, recently past Thailand.
Yeah, 8.60% growth this year.
Yes, and Vietnam is really a country you should not underestimate. And I do feel comfortable here in Asia. I have always had the feeling to leave Europe, to live in Asia, to build up a life here. But I think just do. If you have a dream, follow your dreams.
Yeah, let's go. I love it. I love that conversation. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Great.